Done cleaning. Done cleaning na si Blue. Yan. It's already done. And my cleaning, and my dishwashing is blue. It's my favorite color is blue. And my host is blue. And my towel is blue. But my tire is white. And done cleaning na si Blue. Malinis na. Puti na yung kanyang all tire is white. Very nice na siya. So, ayan, done cleaning. Pwede na akong gumala ulit. Pwede siya igala. Malinis na ulit. Malinis na ang kanyang tire. Si white. Kintab-kintab niya. Ang kintab niya. As you can see guys, nakintab na siya. Pwede na siyang igala. Dun, dun. So left to my garden. And as you can see my garden. Ayan, yung bulaklak. A yellow, pink. Tapos mixed with orchids. Ayan. Tapos ito, galing siyang Batangas. Sa sister ko. Ayan. There's a lot of flowers. This one is always a lot of flowers. This is Camomella. I have also roses. Roses! Hello, roses! And, see. Ganda ng orchids. It's orchids. Ayan. Silya muna tayo sa garden ko. Ayan pa. So, lahat sila is ay bulaklak na. This one is very nice. Ang aking yellow bell. Oh, there's a lot of yellow bell now. I need to cut the grass because it's getting bigger. This one is tomorrow. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.